Igoti-inĩ rĩa Malindi nĩ kwa mũhunjia Paul Mackenzie na arũmĩrĩri ake 18 makinyĩtio mbere ya mũcirithania Elizabeth Usui. Mũcirithania Elizabeth ateanĩirie ihoya rĩa wakiri wa Mackenzie rĩa kwenda arekererio na mbĩrũ, akiuga ona thutha wake kũrekererio no arathiĩ na mbere na ciĩko cia gũtindĩkĩrĩria andũ wĩtĩkio-inĩ mwogomu na ũguo gũcũngĩrĩria ikuũ makĩria.
Activities are still taking place at the said place, and unless the suspect, especially the first respondent, is held in custody, there is a likelihood of interference with the witnesses and a likelihood that more unlawful activities may take place. The suspects have not been charged yet. The matter is still at the investigation stage. So the court finds compelling reasons to allow police to continue holding the suspects that are before the court for more days until the complete investigations.
Mwena wa thitango naguo ũhoete igoti kwĩrũaya mahingĩrwo kwa ihinda rĩa thikũ 30 no igoti rĩaregana na ihoya rĩu.
For that reason, the court shall order as follows. Suspect number 1, Paul Mackenzie, and a police bond that the court had earlier issued and directed that he be released pending the investigations is hereby cancelled. Number 2, suspects 1 to 7 to remain in police custody for 14 days pending the completion of the investigations. 30 days is too much, so you take 14, complete your investigations. Suspects number 8 to 14 to remain in police custody for only 7 days for the same reason.
Maya mokete orĩrĩ na andũ angĩ 7 mahonoketio kuma gĩkundi-inĩ kĩa andũ arĩa mareretwo nĩ mũhunjia ũyũ matikarie nginyagia makue.
Hii kitu ilitokea wakati bibi yangu alianza kuangalia kwa TV 2019. Akaanza kuangalia hii kitu kwa TV ya mambo ya Mackenzie. Kuangalia kwa mambo ya Mackenzie akasema hii ndio kanisa ile mzuri ataingia. Sasa kutoka wakati huo bibi akatoroka na watoto 3. Kamsiana kijana wawili. Sasa wakatorokea huko. Nikimwambia akinipigia simu nikimwambia arudi ananiambia ati tuko na Yesu huku. Tuko na Yesu. Haturudi huko, tumeama huko. Tuko na Yesu na tunaomba.
Kiomba serikali yetu tusaidie tuweze kuona wenzetu hata kama wamekufa. Watutolee tuende tuwapumzishe, maana mioyo yetu itakuwa imetulia tusipowaona.
Pale kama wameonyesha ishara ya kukimbia, wanafungwa kamba za nyuma na miguu. Wakifungwa sasa wao kama pengine wanaweza kuninia hata kushikwa koo na kunyongwa na kumalizwa pale ndani. Kwa hivyo halafu cha kushangaza ni kwamba kama ni ugaidi sahihi watofanya pale ugaidi, kwa sababu hawa ambao tumewaleta sahihi wamesema kwamba juzi waliingia juzi na wamepokonywa kila kitu.
Andũ aya 7 mahonoketio ũnyitanĩri-inĩ wa maabitha a borithi na atongoria kuuma mwena ũcio wa Kilifi.